All right, we are at Ormbergets Klippbad in Gröndal. Actually, this is where the swimming area begins, but as it is quite crowded on the other side, I'm going to take a swim here in this part of the lake Mälaren that's overlooking Lilla Essingen actually, and the motorway, the highway that runs through Stockholm. And we have now also a boat passing by, Stockholm's Gröndal as well. So let's then get going. It is 7th of September 2024. Right now it is 5 p.m. and let's then start to go in before the waves coming from the big boat over there. And here they come already. So yes, I'm in Gröndal, and I'm going to take a swim in Lake Mälaren here. So I have this view right now. Found a nice place up to the sun. It's overlooking Lilla Essingen. So let's then get going and take a swim here. Because why not? It's so beautiful. So we can see the motorway over there and the sunset, as well as some kayak people passing by right now. So yes, we have a very hot day here in Stockholm. It is 25 degrees Celsius currently on the 7th of September, and we have 20 degrees Celsius in the Lake Mälaren. Earlier this morning on the episode that you already seen, it was 15 degrees with fog, but now it is 10 degrees warmer with only sun on the horizon. And I thought after the conference today to explore a bit more and swim a bit more here in Gröndal, in the central part of Stockholm. So yes, it was very crowded on the actual beach here. That's called Ormbergets Klippstrand, or also known as Gröndal, located in the Gröndal area, very close to Stockholm. And as I mentioned, it's overlooking Lilla Essingen, and it is basically a rock like this. And yeah, it's quite okay for a swim in the afternoon if you live nearby, but there are obviously better beaches in Stockholm to visit that I have already shown you out on the sea, for example. But yeah, it's for the central beach, it's quite a great. And it is today beach day number 141 on my Sweden Beach Adventures. So we continue along the way today with 2 beach adventures. Today earlier this morning is Sollentuna, and now from Ormbergets. So let's dive in once again. It's quite amazing and nice indeed. So yes, here there are many boats passing by, so you need to be careful when swimming and possibly swim in the area with the that is marked as swimming area. But I have found here a very nice spot on this rock at the very beginning of the beach actually, and it's overlooking not just Lilla Essingen but also Kungsholmen. I can see my building that I have been living in, the big white in the distance, Backen. So Yes, Ormbergets, Badstrand, Klippbad actually, here. So, yes, and the beautiful sunset over there, indeed, that you can see right now. And the motorway, that's not so busy right now actually, indeed. Right, so that's a wrap from this quick beach adventure from Gröndal here in Stockholm. And hopefully tomorrow, Sunday, the weather is going to be the same as today, and I'm going to the sea to enjoy a bit more in more peace and quiet compared to these central beaches that are very, very crowded at this time of the year, unfortunately. So yes, that's a wrap. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.